Use only your wrists. And you want to get that crunchy sound.
We are at Union High School in our Performing Arts Center, and we have the violinist from the band Kansas here with us that's going to demonstrate with the orchestra students here at Union.
My friend Jocelyn, who is a local orchestra teacher, invited me to do a workshop with these kids. I'm going to play for them a little bit, tell them about what's possible on the violin, show them this crazy 7-string electric violin that I have.
It goes down to C like a viola, then it keeps going down in fifths to F.
This is the only school in Tulsa that he's doing this with, so it's really exciting. It's pretty cool, yeah, to have a rock star musician here playing for our kids.
I feel like it's fire, like having other like string instruments in rock band, because I went to a Trans-Siberian concert. It was like really amazing. The different genres was really cool or like interesting to see. So.
Yeah, I think it's just like interesting to see how they use instruments in different ways, like other than just classical music.
I'm hoping to learn like how it became famous and how he plays music.
Of course, a lot of them didn't even know who the band Kansas is, and I'm like, your grandparents would be really thrilled about this,
That's really cool. And you even have the record. Oh my God. Yeah, that's my favorite Kansas record.
But they're excited, and we played their music for them, and they realize, okay, yeah, we do know what they play.
I remember I had some great teachers and mentors that inspired me when I was growing up, and I hope to do that for other kids.
Just play as fast as you can.
And it's also important to pass on music that you care about to younger generations, and hopefully they'll discover it and also find their own voice and contribute to the music world in their own way.
I feel like getting help from more experienced players, especially people who do it professionally, it really helps you to like know how to improve and maybe stuff to practice.
There's different tones of music, and right now I'm still learning, so like I don't know how to do it, so like it could be cool for him to show us how to do it.
My thing is you can play any kind of music on any instrument. Just because you play a violin doesn't mean you're confined to just classical music or fiddle music. You can do anything.
Give it up for these great people on the stage.
Never in my wildest dreams would I have imagined that I would be asked to join Kansas.
That was amazing.
I come from a family of classical musicians. My father was a violinist with the Cleveland Orchestra for 44 years. My mother's a concert pianist, and they run a music school out of their house. So I started violin and piano when I was 5. And discovered a bunch of great violin rock artists and discovered that this was my path in life. This is what I love the most. And this is where I feel I could express myself and be original and carve a path that not a lot of people have carved. So I'm grateful for every moment. It's been a great ride so far. I'm enjoying every minute of it.
I am very thankful. I think they, just so they can see the opportunities they have and just getting out of, they're excited getting out of classical, of course.
I think it's really cool, or like I'm really thankful for being able to like experience this today. So.
Yeah, I'm just grateful for the experience. Like I said, I just heard some of their music. I'm just excited to see it.
So thanks for having me, and keep calm and carry on. Keep rocking, and I hope that everybody finds something they love that will drive them. And passion is a very important element in life. And if you love what you do, you won't work a day in your life.